Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a whiteboard in Confluence, whether you're starting from scratch or using a template. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is log into Confluence. On the top right hand side you will see create. Now with create you'll come down and click on whiteboard. Quite simply, this is the way to create a whiteboard. Now you can go ahead and you can give it a new name, and automatically it will give you the option for a template. Okay, so you can go and create a blank whiteboard, and this is very simple. It's blank. Here you will have a selection tool, here you will have a move tool, and here you will be able to create sticky notes. So go ahead and slap that down there. Here you can change the alignment, you can lock it in position, add a comment, you can create a list within here, you can also format it in different ways, and then you can change the color as well. So this sticky note over here, we can just say sticky 1. All right, that's great. Now if you click away, you'll see that this is our sticky note. You can click down on it, move it around, you can also expand it. And then if you see on the 4 sides of this sticky note, you can go ahead and add a plus icon, and it'll add an additional sticky note. And here we can just say sticky 2. All right, that's our next sticky note. Of course, if you click on any one of them, you can change all of the details as well. Here, if you go and click on text, you can go and place a text bar. Here you can have a pen, and you can just literally scribble about and do whatever you want to do there. You can also add lines in over here. So let's say you want to go and move this to here. You can change all of the details as you are moving. And here, let's say we want to add a sticky note here. There we go. We can take this line and we can just connect it. Okay, so there's a lot of different things that you can do here. It's very customizable. Here you will be able to add different shapes. There are tons more shapes if you want to go and have a look at them there. And then we have a selection, or a section, sorry, so you can add in a section here. So you can say that this is section 1, and you can connect these over here to each other element. Okay, so again, lots of customization tools. If you click on this, you can change everything about that section. Here we have stamps. So you can put different stamps on there. You can also import a whiteboard from Jira. And then you can have a look at different templates if, after all, you've realized that you don't know how to create a whiteboard, just like me. You can go ahead and you can click on templates, and it'll show you exactly what templates are available. You can also change the filters over there, so you can filter out different types of templates. But ultimately, this is your template, and it's fully customizable again. So if you're clicking on it or double clicking on it, you'll be able to create different elements and do different things with this. So you're going to go and click on that plus icon and hold your click in, drag it down and go and connect it to that. You can then see that there's a connection there. All right. And this is ultimately how you create a whiteboard with Confluence. Now there are some more tools over here. Additionally, there are mind maps. You can add comments, you can add files, images, as well as PDFs. You can also add links, stickers. You can import a whiteboard from other products if you may be using Miro or even Jira. And then there's the timer, which is great. You can click on that and you can just change whatever time you would like to set on here. Click on play. And this timer now you'll be able to use. You can just minimize that and then it'll be right over there. Now once you're done with your changes that you've made, it is saved automatically in real time. So all you need to do is click on the more actions button, and you can see there's a bunch of other things that you can do with it. Ultimately, this is how you create whiteboards with Confluence.